Actuators in a fluid power system are the things that do the work. They are the things that act. Hydraulic systems have cylinders and motors. Pneumatic systems have cylinders and motors and other things. The cylinders in a pneumatic system look a lot like hydraulic cylinders, but they're lighter weight. And you might remember that pneumatic systems operate at lower pressures than hydraulics do. Here's a parts list drawing from Atlas Cylinder. We have an Atlas Cylinder company right here in Eugene. Well, you already know what cylinders look like, and luckily you don't have to learn anything more about them because we use the same symbols for hydraulic cylinders and pneumatic cylinders. So here's a single acting cylinder with just an input line, and here's a double acting cylinder with input and return. Yay! In pneumatics you find a bunch of other kinds of actuators besides cylinders. Pneumatics are used in a lot of manufacturing settings, so you might see slides that move things back and forth. You might see grippers that pick up a product. You see various compressed air tools, wrenches, and so forth. And there are pneumatic motors, just like there are hydraulic motors. Parker, by the way, Parker-Hannifin is a common manufacturer of fluid power equipment. And we have a Parker-Hannifin company in Eugene. For pneumatic motors, the symbols are the same as for hydraulic motors, but again, the difference is that triangle is open instead of being filled in solid. And remember, the triangle indicates flow. We saw earlier that in a pump, the arrow is pointing out. In a compressor, the arrow is pointing out because it's sending fluid outward. In a hydraulic motor, the arrow is pointing in because fluid is coming into the thing and making it turn. In a pneumatic motor, the arrow is coming in as well because air is coming in and making the thing turn. The difference is the triangle is open, it's not filled in solid.